So finally, for all those Marababes that suck at doing edges, I'm here to make a video about how I lay my edges and some life hacks that will help you to master doing the same thing and having it last for hours at that. And we'll be using the Marabelle edge control today. This is a 5-ounce tin. It will last you typically about 4 to 5 months, and each edge control comes with a double-sided edge brush and comb. So normally what you do is you brush out the edges that you'll be starting out with. Today we'll be doing super simple edges. We'll just be doing like 2 swoops, and when you separate the hair, I mean, I'm gonna be doing I'm gonna be brushing back up the middle, but this is just to show you how absolutely amazing this edge control is, because check it out. Oh wait, I have to take out this so as I can, this hairpin, so as I can brush it all the way up. Guys, brush it all the way up, right? Just dip it in there, don't need too much, and brush, right? Be sure that your edges are clean and free of any excess moisture or oils, because that's how you'll get the best results. Okay, so normally for me, I don't do any swoop in the middle, right? I just typically brush it all the way up, and then I tend to do the swoops in the side of my hair right here. So just dip it in, and then a little trick I do is use my hand to guide the hair and to lay the hair. See how it's laying beautifully, right? Not looking ashy. So yeah, typically I use my hand and lay the hair and guide it in the direction of the swoop, right, that I want to do. And what you guys need to remember to not leave out is the ends of the baby hair. Make sure that you brush it all the way up into your hair, okay? Very, very important. The edges will never be complete if you don't brush it all the way up, guys, okay? So dip in again just to clean up the sides. Although this is so perfect, I don't know why I'm still touching it, honestly. Yeah, so that's what's up. And then maybe just put my hair behind my ears and just fix up the side right here. Jesus, it's just going my way, man. But yeah, and then oh wait, if you are sideburn girlies, then normally I bring down my sideburns like this, and sometimes I'll use a comb and round it up like this. Oh yes. So I don't know if you can see that, but yeah. So we're basically done with half of the hair. It's laid, tried and true, and looking nice so far. This is looking bushy, so we're gonna go back in with our edge brush and the edge control with just a little edge control. And then we're gonna start from the roots of the hair, bring it down and out like a nice C on this, and then we're going to bring it all the way up like this. Alright, then we're going to clean up the sides. There we go. Should have probably caught up my hair a little bit tighter, but we're still pushing on. And then I'm gonna catch my sideburns. Ooh. Oh. Oh my God, that went with just one. We basically finish. Wanna see what go on in real time, guys. Alright, let me just pin down this. What you can do if you are so inclined, sometimes I do this, right? I use a silk or is it satin or silk scarf, and just tie it down for a few seconds, right? Just tie it down for a few seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then be careful in removing it, and that's that. Okay, simple, easy peasy edges, laid, beautiful, amazing, not ashy. Okay, so thank you guys so much for tuning in, and please send me a picture of your edges when you've done them. Okay.